The police took Maruna and Mpumi to the police station for questioning, and Maruna revealed that she was with Bonko on the day that Owethu disappeared. The detective went to the Hlophes to tell them the way they were so shocked that Bonko ditched their child on their lobola day to go be with Maruna. Also, who needs enemies when you have a sister like Mpumi? Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Genesis. Bonko had all the time to come clean that she was with Maruna and Owethu found them together. And just tell them the whole story. She was saving Maruna and Owethu found them and she was angry and she left. But no, she decided to keep quiet about this whole thing. Now tracker shows that the Owethu's car was last seen go Maruna's house before it went to the field. Now the detective is knocking go Sidiwing and they want to take Maruna and Mpumi for questioning at the police station, because they have a record of assaulting Owethu, and also the tracker shows Owethu did come to the Sidiwing's house. So what happened after that? They take them to the police station. They must answer for themselves. Maruna tried to say, nah, Kamira Sipe, she's the one who had tried to kill me, nah, Kamira Sipe. Then she phones Bonko telling him, yo, police are here. They say, tracker shows that Owethu was here. Bonko begs Maruna not to say anything about them being together on the day because his family and Owethu's family do not know that. I remember now you want me to lie. I remember you're the one who called me. So if they find out that I left my special day to go and be with you, I'll be in trouble. Mpumi phones Gabrielle because she's panicking, saying, please come and help me. Gabrielle is like, yo, Mpumi, calm down. If you didn't do anything, just tell them the truth. Handy, she's giving him ideas. Now they go to the police station and they get questioned. Maruna states her case, what happened, but omits the part about her being with Bonko and all that. Handy Mpumi will start talking and say a whole lot of things. Say, Maruna, she says they made peace away too, but obviously I don't believe her. And they fight for Bonko. All this is for Bonko. She would do anything to become number one. Remember, she once went and stopped their lobola. So she's insinuating that Maruna might have killed or done something bad to Owethu. Now that detective has been shot, how is this really your sister? And then the detective questions Maruna, when you lied to me, where is Owethu's body? Maruna is like, I don't even know where Owethu's body is. And then she's asked for, hey, tracker shows it was last seen at your house. What happened? Who were you with on the day? Then she remembers Bonko begged her not to say anything about them being together. But if she doesn't tell the truth, she might end up in jail. Then she starts saying on the day that Owethu went missing, she was with Bonko. Now Maruna has an alibi. Bonko Tabeta must confirm. And then the Hlophes and the Tabetes are busy praying. I remember when Bonko was, her mom was going on about, remember these kids once promised to kill each other. Bonko was like, no man, they've made peace. Maruna would never hurt Owethu. Hanti she know Owethu was with him. And then the detective arrives to tell them that Maruna has an alibi for the day that Owethu went missing. And that person is Bonko Tabete. They were so shocked. You should have seen the shock on Owethu's parents. Bonko, on the day that he was supposed to be paying lobola for our daughter, he disappeared to be with his ex-wife. The way they fought with him, I'm sure Mawa Kena was so disappointed. Especially, what are you doing when Zan Bonko? Instead of focusing on malobola na kono Owethu, inganega bishop, when are you out there, inganega Steving. And then when they realized, hey, like she does not know what to do, she phones Uzakaria, Malum Zakaria. Malum Zakaria comes and makes things worse, saying, remember she once took us to go disturb Magadi. When he's like, nope, not here, Papa. I did not give birth to a murderer. And then Gabrielle has gotten hold of the pictures of Bonko and Maruna leaving the hotel. He's probably going to use them to his advantage. And Fistos managed to put together some boys to go and look for Owethu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.